This just came in the mail. This is Bissingers. It is a local St. Louis chocolate company. We really love them. They do have a factory downtown. We don't really want to drive downtown right now. And so, of course, they have delivery. So we ordered raspberry creams and Petit fours. The raspberry creams is seasonal. They're only available for a couple months. Actually, I think they're only going to have them available one more week, and then they're going to move to Blackberries. So, let's see what it looks like. All right, packing slip, a lot of popcorn, and there is the I need your help, honey. See if Robert will come and help. I need you to come grab this because I didn't know they were going to fill it with popcorn. And I'm doing this one-handed. So we were waiting for the UPS driver, so this was not sitting on the porch at all. But they do package it really well. So just grab it out. Popcorn everywhere. Oh my goodness. Alright, we got the popcorn cleaned out of the way, and now Robert's going to open the bag. Is there any... Ooh, did they give you a freebie?
They did. They gave you a free candy bar.
We got a banana pecan caramel chocolate bar. That looks really good.
And then, look how they wrap it.
And so this is ice packs in there. Oh yeah, it's really cold, so even if we wouldn't have grabbed it right away, they're going to make sure you get the chocolate in excellent condition. And so one of these is the raspberry creams, and one of them is the Petit fours. I will open them in a little bit. I just had lunch, so I'm not hungry. But this afternoon, when I'm hungry again, I will do a taste testing of these chocolate items. This is the first box of Bissingers chocolates. It has this little Bissingers guidebook. Not for sure why they included that, because this should just be a whole box of royal raspberry creams. A nice little sticker on one. Alright, so dark chocolate raspberry creams and milk chocolate raspberry creams. Perfect. I will eat the milk chocolate and my husband will eat the dark chocolate. Alright, let's pull out the next box. So this will be royal or white raspberry almond Petit fours. Oh my goodness. Those look beautiful. Alright, we're going to do a taste test now. So this is the milk chocolate raspberry cream. And Robert's going to try the dark chocolate because I don't like dark chocolate. See? Oh my, the raspberry cream in it. Oh my goodness.
So there's not like a real raspberry in there? It's just a cream?
Taste the dark. I can taste the seeds. Robert was thinking it would be like a chocolate dipped raspberry, but there's not a raspberry in it.
Okay, so they have blackberries coming out that are chocolate covered, so that could be interesting. I just whistled.
But you can taste seeds in it. So somehow they used whole raspberries in the cream.
It's good. But
it was really good. I'm eating the other one.
A little harder than I would like.
What do you mean it's harder? See the raspberry cream?
I feel like it's like crystallized a little bit.
No, I think this is what creams are supposed to be like.
Okay.
I think you were thinking it was a chocolate covered raspberry.
I kind of think I was. Yeah, I think that's what I was hoping for.
I like these creams. This is like when we get a box of like mixed chocolates. I always here. Let me get it for you. I like the creams. See, the dark is pretty dark.
I like the fruit. I like it. I like to bite in on a fruity deliciousness attacks you.
Let's see. All right, I'll try the dark. I don't normally like
It
dark.
ain't bad. You're not gonna hate it. The cream kind of.
Oh, it's not too dark.
Yeah.
It's not.
It tempers it. The cream tempers the dark.
That's actually not bad. I would actually eat those because, like I said, I'm not a fan of dark chocolate, but I'd actually eat all those. If he doesn't, what's the rule we have in our house? Like 1 day or 2 day?
Well, it depends on the product.
We have a 2 day rule in our house. Like if I buy something for me, if it sits in the house longer than 2 days, then Robert gets to eat it.
And I do.
So-
I don't mess around. I do. I eat it.
If he doesn't eat all these dark chocolates in 2 days, I might start snacking on them. That was good. Can I have a paper towel? Now I got chocolate all over my fingers.
My weakness is the chocolate covered blackberries. Those are phenomenal.
Well, you have to order those.
I will order those. They're all different shapes.
Dr. Pepper break.
It's like a chocolate covered strawberry or even like a cherry cordial. It's delicious.
Now we're gonna try the Petit Fours. And I was calling it Petit Fours. Robert had to look it up online how to say Petit Fours.
We've always called them Petit Fours, but I didn't know if that's just like the poor man's way of saying it.
You were correct.
Okay.
I always called them Petit Fours my whole life. Robert was correct. It's Petit Fours. So this is white chocolate with a raspberry drizzle. And it's essentially a cake. It looks like it's 3 layers.
It is.
Oh my god. These are so good too.
These are better than the others.
I was just about to say, I'm not for sure which is better. Are the Petit Fours or the raspberry creams? These Petit Fours are good. I used to I had a bad impression of Petit Fours because growing up we always got like a free box from like Swiss Colony that was always frozen, and they were probably like made a year ago, so they were always kind of bad. But these are awesome. They were definitely made within the last couple weeks. It's Bissingers. Bissingers is like high-end chocolate. They don't let anything sit around. So these are like freshly made, and it makes me realize that I've been missing out a lot on the last 20 years because I've not been eating Petit Fours.
Sometimes with Petit Fours, if you leave them, some people put them in the refrigerator, and then when you get them out, they're hard.
That's my problem. I think I've had them.
They need to come to. I think they
where
need
they
to
were
come
hard.
to room temperature, and then you get the
Oh my
flavor.
God.
Because
Red chocolate.
I actually have had decent Petit Fours from Swiss Colony.
I have the bad impression. Well, I always order you like Swiss Colony at Christmas, and you always, when you look online, there's coupon codes, and you always get a free box of Petit Fours if you pay attention to the coupon codes. And I never end up eating them because I'm afraid they're gonna be bad. But you like them?
I like them. You just got to be careful. You got to look at the chocolate. You got to look at it and see if the chocolate's like oxidized yet. Because sometimes it has that white film, and you kind of know, well, it's been sitting a little long. At least that's my opinion. But I think it oxidizes.
I could eat this whole box right now.
They really
I could
are
totally
good.
eat this whole box. How many was in the box? 12.
12.
I could eat these because like 12 of them is probably like 2 cupcakes, right? So essentially, I'm just eating 2 cupcakes.
There's a lot of icing in these things. I don't know, and I don't remember what the cost was, honestly.
Yeah, I would say it's 3 layers of cake. It's got a lot of white chocolate.
They do a fine job. I would definitely get their Petit Fours again.
I hope they do. I think I'm gonna be a new connoisseur of Petit Fours. I hope at Halloween they do pumpkin flavored. I really want to try pumpkin.
I keep thinking it's Swiss Colony that does the pumpkin ones. They may do them. I don't know.
I might have to order from Swiss Colony. If you're not familiar with Swiss Colony, it's a mail order catalog. It's not high end or anything. It's middle of the road. But they really have great like cheese baskets, and that's what I like about them.
Some of us were raised on Swiss Colony items at
I
Christmas.
was raised on Swiss Colony
Yes,
items.
Yes.
I was. It was a treat for us.
I like Swiss Colony. Some of their stuff is really good. And some of their stuff is not.
Alright. One more and then I'm done. Oh, as much as I would like to eat this whole box, I'm not like, I can't eat a lot at once. One more raspberry cream. Oh my god. That is so good. If you like chocolate, Even if you don't live in St. Louis, I'm pretty sure they ship anywhere in the U.S. Treat yourself to some Bissingers chocolates. So, if you paid any attention to my travel vlogs or any of my videos, you know I love chocolate. So, my number one chocolate love is Norman Love. My number 2 is Bissingers. And my number 3 is LA Verdict. So, those are all 3 companies you can order online.
See, a long time ago, all you had was what came in a catalog. And that's why Swiss Colony always got the business, is because they were the only ones that sent a catalog. Now that you have the internet, you can find anything.
Honestly, yeah, before Robert started buying me expensive chocolate all the time, I was a Cadbury girl.
You were. And I made a monster out of you.
I still like Cadbury eggs, don't get me wrong. But Robert spoiled me, and now he has to buy me expensive chocolate, and he can't stop because it's too late. I'm addicted.
You can tell the difference, though. You really can. When you've had good chocolate, you can tell the difference between good chocolate and bad chocolate. I wonder if there's...
Sometimes they'll have like a date on the bottom. Yeah, best by October 8th, which that's like a whole month away.
Yeah, those won't make it to the end of the week.
And these are, so like if you get them right away, it's not like you have to eat it within, and this is best by October 4th. Oh my goodness. October 4th, 21.
Oh my, is that the chocolate covered?
These are the raspberry creams.
See, I keep saying chocolate covered, and they're not chocolate.
The Petit Fours.
Yeah, that's cake. That
have to be eaten this year. So, they're going to be gone by tomorrow. I don't know why I was worried about the 2-day rule. They're going to be gone by tomorrow. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to do another Bissingers video next month because...
Actually, it's going to be very soon because...
Very soon.
They just released their
chocolate-covered Blackberries. That's what I'm going to try. And as soon as they release the Halloween, I'm 99% sure I remember that they have some kind of pumpkin Petit Fours. Petit Fours.
Petit Fours.
I'm saying it
You
right.
got it
Yes.
right.
All right. See you guys later.